Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and this is entry number 6 into my giveaway challenge. And this one's coming from TheCraftycricket Elizabeth on YouTube. Hi Elizabeth, and Elizabeth and I are friends, and she has spoiled me for my birthday, and she did not have to do that, girl, but I appreciate it and a lot. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And here's the card she sent me. It is so super cute. It says celebrate. And she said, Gigi, I hope you love everything. If you can't use it, please pass it on to someone who can. Happy birthday, my friend. Enjoy your special day. Love and hugs, TheCraftycricket Elizabeth. And she is such a sweet person. So if you have not joined her channel, you should definitely go check it out. And she recommended Nicole, who is a vagabond crafter on YouTube. Okay, so let's get into what she sent. She sent me some Maggie Home paper. She sent me 2 sheets of this. And it's just single-sided, so they're cut apart. She knows I love Maggie. She also likes Maggie Homes. Then she sent me this cute bee bag from the Dollar Tree, and it says, save the bees, protect the hive. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I actually hauled it myself, so I'm glad to have an extra. Then she sent me, I have never seen these before. She sent me these socks, guys. They're gonna be so awesome for the fall. They're really long socks, and they have pink bees on them. Oh my goodness. I died when I saw them. I love these, Elizabeth. Thank you, hun. Oh my gosh. So happy about those. Then she sent me these 2 boxes. I think she made them. Girl, these are so cute. You did such a good job. So there's these 2 boxes, and they're foxes. Love those. Next I saw this. Look at that rainbow. And watch, guys. My husband saw this and he wanted it. He tried to take it from me. I was like, no, that's mine. But I love it. Thank you. Then I saw these, and I'm assuming you made these too. I've never seen these before. Look how gorgeous these are. They're made out of wood, and I'm assuming she did some kind of decoupage on the top. So it says farm to market, apple blossom, 100% organic honey. And this one says apple blossom, nature's finest, pure, fresh, local honey farm. Aren't those beautiful? So these are going to be in my craft room once I finish getting it all set up. I love those. Those are so stinking cute. And next, she sent me a pen, and this is so cute. I've never seen this before. And it's a little rainbow on top. Cute, thank you. And she had this bag right here. And there are some stickers in here. So let me share. There are these nautical ones. These ones. These cute ones. Some more nautical. These ones. These. Aren't those cool? This one. These. And then there were these couple sheets of paper, like ephemera journal pages. Find Me in the Sea, and then Summer. Thank you. So that was what was in that bag. And then I have another bee scarf. She sent me a bee scarf, guys. Look how pretty. I love this scarf so much. And it was wrapped, something inside to keep it from breaking. She sent me this ceramic queen bee little plate. So I'm going to use this on my desk. It is so pretty. Thank you so, so much. I'm so happy it made one piece, and it is just pretty. I love it. Thank you. Okay, and then she sent me some woodblock stamps. I think this is all of them. I think. I don't know. Yes, I think so. Okay, so she sent me this flourish one. She sent me this one that says, hand stamped with love. She sent me this Gigi. Oh my gosh, this one's from Hero Arts. I love Gingis. I don't know why, but I do. I really love them for Christmas. I love Gingis and I love poinsettias. And she sent me a bee. Who's this one by? It looks like Stampendous. Cute. Look how cute that is. Thank you. Then she sent me these. And this one has a little bee, some butterflies, some flowers, and it says for you. Next, she sent me this magnet. It's going on my cart. It says be happy. Love it. She sent me some nails, and they're very pretty. Thank you for that. Let's see. Oh my goodness, okay. I am hunting these down. They have like 6 different ones, and she sent me 2 of them. Oh my goodness, and the sloth. I love these gnomes. So cute. I haven't found them in our Dollar Trees yet. I'm hoping we get them because I want the other ones also. But thank you, hun. You are so kind. I saw them and I about fell out of the chair. Thank you so much. Then she sent me some bee washi that's pink and gold. So pretty. Love that. And then she sent me this marigold flower petal washi, and I do not have this, so this is awesome. Thank you. Love that. And it tells you on the back how to do it step by step. So love that. Okay. Then she sent me these toppers. And I'm thinking that I can use these toppers on rosettes. That's what I'm thinking. What do y'all use them for? If you can leave your ideas in the comments, that would be awesome. That's what I was thinking. So she sent me those. She sent me these really cute stickers, sentiment stickers. Really pretty. And she sent me these trims, which I love. She sent me some sticker books. She sent me this watercolor one, which I think I also got from happy window. Which way is best to go? This way probably. I'll do that. I don't know if it's the same one or not. Isn't that pretty? So there's that one. And then she also sent me the seasonal one, which I really love. Let me show you this one. It's really cute. Barbecue, flamingos, pineapples. Look at the bunnies and the eggs. So say Happy Mother's Day. There's Easter, flowers, Halloween and fall. Look at those, so pretty. And there's some more Halloween and fall. Halloween. It's like Christmas. Christmas. More Christmas. So, love that. Thank you. And then she sent me this, and this is like hardbound, and it says, "Believe in yourself." And then you open it up, and it has all this bee paper, which I love, and a pen. Isn't that cute? Thank you so much. I've never seen it. Thank you. So that will come in good use. She sent me this stamp set here. It says happy birthday wish, happy birthday to you, to and from. Really cute. Then she sent me this CC Designs called Garden Chair, which is absolutely beautiful. That's going to be pretty colored. Then she sent me this little baggie. And inside, with this bees. You're the bee's knees. She put a little sticker on there. And then she sent me these catacorns. Aren't they adorable? Love. So cute. Thank you. I love them. There we go. Then she sent me some stickers. Like a lot of stickers, and I love them. She sent me that one. Sent me this one. This one. This one right here. This one, which I love. I really love the trucks. And I love this one with the gingham. And this one's front and back. This one's really cute. This one with the bees is really cute. Is there two here? Oh yeah. And then she sent me a coffee one. This one here. It kind of reminds me of like the 80s. And this one. Very cute. Thank you. And then she sent this little sticker set with the bees and the flowers. And then she sent me these flowers, some bees, stickers. And then she sent me some paper, which is so pretty. Look at that. I love this one. And this one. Very pretty. And some nautical and some travel And then she knows I love Cosmo Cricket paper, and she sent me Cosmo Cricket. Look how pretty. And I think these are 8x8s. Look at those cut aparts. I love that one. And there was 2 of those, I think, in here somewhere. Those. Make Believe Fun. That's cute. And this is Vacation, and this is like sheet music. And then she sent me some 12x12s and some stickers. Let me get that out. She sent me this, and then she sent me some stickers from Cosmo Cricket. And then I love this one. So the rest of these are 12x12 in the front and back. Let me move the other ones out of the way. I can get them. I'll just do it this way. So there's that one. I love this side. I think that is so cute. There's this. That. I love this one. Little borders. There's this, and I love the red side, which is this one. There's some more of those borders. I love the other side with the coffee cups and stuff, and the toaster. And there's this one, cut aparts. And then she sent me 2 of this one. So it's hexagons and then bees. Elizabeth, I want to thank you so much. I appreciate you and your friendship, and I thank you for everything you sent for my birthday. You made it very happy. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you too. Bye.